got a bunch of coffee filters in the oven. I know that sounds crazy. What are you doing? Cooking coffee filters. I dyed a whole bunch of coffee filters today. And I thought I would go on the other side and do some roses. If you want to come on and do some crafting, you can, but I thought I would do the roses on a live since it's taking me so long to get them up the other way. I will definitely get them up the other way as well. Hi, Sporting Grista. So I guess we'll go through maybe some, just check out if there's any big giant updates in the Outback, but in the Outback. I'm losing it. Hello, Outback. I can't even talk. Outlaw Outback. Yes. Hello. You're interested to come up and do some crafting? Okay.